Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Surva and today we are going to talk about AI. AI is definitely not a buzzword anymore. It is here to stay. Whether it is healthcare or virtual assistants, chatbots, it is rapidly advancing. As per Google, AI makes it possible for machines to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform human like tasks. I'm sure this definition doesn't come as a surprise to you. If this interests you, there's a lot to learn. The learning materials are scarce and distributed over internet. At least that's how I felt. If you see your career is progressing towards data engineer, it's probably a good investment to look for a full-time course. For instance, if you will just Google AI full-time course, you will find there are plenty of universities that are offering these courses. It includes Oxford, MIT, and many more. However, if you're looking for some free beginner materials that will help you understand the basics of AI, then this video is for you. Personally, it made me very super curious, like what are the different definitions? What does AI actually means? How is it different from computer science? What is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? What does generative AI means? LLM models. So there were plenty of questions that I couldn't answer myself. So I decided to start my journey learning a bit about generative AI. And I started pulling the material together. Today I'm going to share it with you. I hope that helps. My first recommendation is this course from Elements of AI. I ended up finding this uh, course. It was not easy, to be honest, because if you will just Google introduction to AI or AI courses, it will fill your feed up with the full-time courses or some courses from Coursera which have their own benefits. But I chose this course in the beginning just because it was free and it offered me 6 chapters and it was 6 hours of my time. Don't judge me for that, but I absolutely found it beneficial. And this is not a promotion video, this is my personal experience. So I can definitely recommend you if you're starting your journey with AI basics concepts, it is well worth spending your time in. One benefit of following this is completely free, of course, and you can also get the certificate for free, which you can highlight in your resume. Once you're done with it, you can also follow up other courses, although they are not free. Like the course in itself is free. This building AI will tell you more details on getting started with AI, how to build the real life problems and solve them. But if you want to download the certificate, then you have to pay, and which will cost you around 50 euros. I know I promised free courses. This is just a follow up on the advanced course. The basic course is free. Highly recommended from my side. Now, there are many AI for everyone, AI for free courses available online. One of which is AI for Everyone. This is from Andrew Ng. If you don't know him, he is the founder of Deep Learning AI and one of the known names in the field of AI. So I'm sure this is definitely worth it. The only caveat around this is you can enroll for free, but with the free version, you only get access to some of the course materials except the graded items. For everything else, plus the certificate, you need to pay 45 euros. There's another option though, you can apply for financial aid. You need to submit an application, and if it gets approved, you will get 75% off the up to 75% off the regular price. It will take around about 16 days. So you can try for this as well if you want to get the reduced prices for this course. The third course that I want to share with you is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence by IBM. You can enroll for free here as well. However, it is a 7-day free trial. If you want to access this after 7 days, you need to pay 45 euros. And certificate is also a part of paid plan, not a free trial. Again, you can apply for financial aid here. If this gets approved, you get up to 75% off regular price. Now, this video is a follow-up on the previous learnings. Previous 3 videos were more about learning about AI, deep learning, machine learning, the basic concepts, introduction to AI, as the title says. Now, where to go next? The follow-up on the basics of AI is the introduction to generative AI. The recommendation from my side is this video from YouTube, from Google Cloud, Introduction to Generative AI. As the title speaks, this talks about how generative AI works, what are the common applications. There's a lot to learn. There's just 22 minutes of the video. So it doesn't hurt if you're looking forward to this journey, you want to continue learning. This is something I definitely recommend. Learning about large language model definitely makes sense to me when it comes to generative AI. If you want to build your own models, you want to have your own data set, train it and fine tune it, you need to have a basic understanding around what LLM means. What is the prompt tuning, what is prompt engineering, and if these terms sounds new to you, hallucinations, generative AI development tools, then this video is a must watch, available in YouTube by Google Cloud. Last one in AI for Beginner series is a course from Microsoft. This is a free GitHub repository. You can clone it by yourself. This is slightly in advance as compared to previous courses. It does have some assignments for you to make with some knowledge. So feel free to explore. This is also one of the free learning materials available for introduction to AI. After one or few of the introductory courses that I shared earlier, you have some understanding around whether you want to explore machine learning or you want to go further and start your journey with generative AI. And both of these have different number of courses available. For machine learning, Google provides this machine learning education. So they're free basic courses followed by some advanced courses. You might need to pay for some advanced courses in terms of Google credits, or you might need to actually pay for some very high level advanced courses. Last few recommendations are related to generative AI. Two of them are offered by Google Cloud. First one is Introduction to Generative AI. This is a 45 minutes course, no cost. So you can enroll into that and continue learning. The second one is Generative AI for Developers Learning Path. This is also very useful if you want to just get into image generation and other concepts around generative AI. So you can use this. This ends up with a prompt design using Palm. And I imagine all the generative AI videos from Google revolve around Vertex AI because that is the tool that they use for all their learning. Last but not the least is course from Microsoft, Generative AI for Beginners. This is also free open source GitHub repository. You can clone it for yourself in your local. The prerequisites are that you either have Azure OpenAI service or OpenAI API. So you need to enroll in one of them. For Azure OpenAI service, this is not possible for people who have their personal email address and want to enroll using that. You need to have a company email address, and applications can be submitted only using those company email addresses. At the moment, they do not offer the services to personal emails. So my recommendation would be to use the OpenAI API if you are following this course. That's it for today. These materials greatly contributed to expanding my comprehension about AI. I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.